Schmarpenites, and today we're doing cicada hunting! Woo! Don't forget to subscribe! Alrighty guys, this is a big chunk of one. Woo! We made it, guys! Up to the big tree! Okay, let's start looking. I found one! This one's just still in its shell. Whoa, look what I found, guys! It's just a shell from a cicada. Woo! It's okay, you can crumble them up. It won't hurt the animal because it's just a shell. This little fella is still in its shell. It's getting ready to turn into a big one like this. We found a big one. It's okay, they won't bite. They're nice. Alrighty, let's let this little guy go. Be free! Woo! Oh, look, this guy's almost out, hanging by a thread. Hi, Remy. Oh, bye. Have a nice day. That's all we got for today, Schmarpenites. Bye. Woo!